Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust uploaded clips on TikTok. The first thing you're going to do is open TikTok as you can see right here. Then you're going to tap on the plus like you'll normally do to upload a video. And you're going to select upload in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll simply select the video that you would like to upload. For example, this one right here. After selecting the video, you're going to tap on next. Then you'll see the option adjust clips from the drop down menu on the right hand corner. And from here you can simply drag the slider to the section that you would like the video to stop, as you can see right here. So if you want the video to be shorter, you can make it shorter by doing that. And then you will tap on save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Another option that you can also do if you would want the video to be a bit longer, you could tap on effects. Then after selecting effects, you could simply pull the slider across, then select time. And from here, you could put it in repeat. So you could select repeat. Then you could drag it over the entire video if you would want the entire video to repeat. Then tap on save. And that's it. So now the video will play on repeat. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.